Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find the option General Management. Then let's scroll and find Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. So here your device is informing you that it will reset all settings except security, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So just tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock. Here there is an information that these changes cannot be recovered, and to apply the new settings your phone will restart. So just tap on Reset and wait until it will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.